Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make the perfect Nigerian chinchin. Like, this chinchin is so delicious, guys. When you make it, you will see. So that is our baking flour, all-purpose baking flour. This is our sugar. You can make use of any sugar of your choice. So this is 1 egg. We're making use of half of that egg. So that's my nutmeg, grated nutmeg, and my salt. Then this is our baking powder. Guys, please, all of you using baking soda, there's a difference between baking soda and baking powder. Please make sure you get the baking powder. So Hollandia evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but I really love Hollandia evaporated milk. And I always make sure my chinchin has this milk flavor. It takes it to another level. Then our margarine. You can make use of butter, but I use margarine for my own. Then water. Make sure you're not making use of cold water. Make sure your water is room temperature. So this is our equipment, my instrument, my spare. This is what I use in the kitchen. This is what I'll be using today for this video. A spatula, measuring spoons, measuring cups, and our pizza cutter. You can make use of the knife. The knife is kind of difficult, so I'm making use of a pizza cutter. It just goes smoothly with your hands. So guys, let's get right into the video. So we'll be needing 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Guys, I want to teach you guys how to measure 1 cup. Most of you will heap it up. That's no longer 1 cup. After you fill up the cup, you level it to the level of that cup. That's what makes it 1 cup, like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Yup. So I noticed some part went down a little bit, so I had to add again, then level it again. That's what makes it 1 cup. So this is our 1 cup all-purpose flour. So guys, then we'll be adding 7 spoons of sugar. It depends on your taste bud, actually. What I'll be adding, the milk, the liquid milk has sugar already, so I'm just going to use 7 spoons, teaspoons, not tablespoons. 7 teaspoons of your sugar, your granulated sugar. You can make use of brown sugar if you want. You can make use of honey, anyone. I've never tried one of honey. So this milk flour, it gives this milk flavor, gives that chinchin the extra taste. Like, oh my god, tastes so heavenly, like so nice, so delicious. Like, it's so nice, guys, so nice. You guys need to try this. Seriously, you need to try this recipe. So we're adding our baking powder. Make sure it is baking powder, not baking soda. So half teaspoon baking soda. So all we need to do is to mix for all the dry ingredients to incorporate. Mix. Okay, now guys, this is half teaspoon of butter. Now we are going into our wet ingredients. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of 3 butters. 1 teaspoon of 3 butters. I'll be leaving the measurement on the screen So you can see 3 teaspoons of margarine, I mean to say, or butter, anyone you're using. So my hands are washed already. I just want to make sure the butter and the flour mixes together. And it gives me that lumps. You can see those lumps in it. So I just keep mixing it for it to incorporate together. Then I forgot to add my salt and my nutmeg, so I'm just going to add them together. That's about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of nutmeg, then half teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to mix. So all together, basically, that's 1 teaspoon. So after mixing, we're going to mix our egg, then add half of the mixed egg. Egg also gives it that vibe, that different taste. But if you're allergic to egg, you can skip it. Egg just give it that soft texture inside. So we can basically skip it though. Depends on what work for you. But adding that milk alone is just going to give it, and that's Hollandia milk. Or like, guys, you need to try this out. You really, really do need to try it out. Same recipe. I'm just doing this for the house, so I was the only one with my younger one at home, so I just did this little proportion. It wasn't even enough for us to take. Like, I don't even know why I did. And I've never used milk flavor. I tried it once and I loved it. I said to try it again. So I decided to give you guys the recipe. That's my secret. A secret. So guys, I'll be adding 1/4 cup of our milk, our evaporated milk. 1/4 cup. Now just going to mix. If you notice, the flour was already coming together, so I noticed that there was no need of me adding any water anymore. So that's what gave it that extra taste. I actually thought I was gonna add a little water, but there was no need because the milk was evaporated, like it's liquid. So that was enough liquid for us to add into the flour. So this, guys, I don't know, I'm not ever exaggerating, but I wish you guys can just have a feel or have a taste of this chinchin. Like, it's so nice. So nice. Guys, I'll be putting up a video of the one I did with cinnamon so you guys can try that out. If you decide to mix cinnamon and nutmeg together, or just cinnamon and nutmeg is a very, very good spice. Like, it gives it another flavor. So guys, so these are rolling board and a rolling pin. I'm just going to sprinkle a purpose flour on it. And let me tell you, if you don't sprinkle your board and your rolling pin well enough, the mixture is going to stick, the dough is going to stick to the rolling pin. Okay, I'm going to show you guys now. So I just want to bring it up. I allowed it to sit for about 15 minutes just to relax. So I just want to roll it. Roll it, yeah. Roll it. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to cut this into two. Cut it into two. It wasn't easy for me rolling out this because I was standing like not opposite, I was like adjacent, right? Horizontally. I was just standing in one corner. So it wasn't easy. If you notice, I didn't really um put enough flour on that rolling pin. So watch out. Because I was my ring light was opposite it and it wasn't easy. I had to turn to the other side. Can you see what happened? It became very, very sticky. It was sticking to the rolling pin. But after adding it, can you see? Can you see? So that's the consistency I want. I just want to stretch out those thick parts. Then I'll cut off the excess. This guy, if I want to do it at times, I just cut it and continue. There are times I'm just go out of shape. If I had a shape cutter, there are shapes I actually love to do, but I actually love doing them with my knife. I just cut out triangle shapes, and times I just like circle, just to just make it fun. But if I had a lot of shapes, like guys, in case you know where I can get shape cutter, please let me know. Like there are lots of shapes I would love to do for kids. It's fun, doing this with kids. So I'm going to get a plate, sprinkle with baking with the flour, then just pour in. Then our oil. That one I put, I use it to check if it was hot enough. So just pour the. Can you see the way? Can you see the way that thing was just pouring out? So guys, just gonna pour. Can you see? That's the I didn't make much. Just for me and my. Just tried to do this video and to show you guys the new method I found out of making chinchin. So keep stirring, keep stirring. If you leave it, it's going to burn. Like chinchin, just done like this. It doesn't take a whole lot of time to get ready. So that time you're looking at, okay, let me wait for it to get burn. Let me wait. If you just turn like this, come back. It's just gonna burn. So you just need to keep stirring because there are some small ones in it. Those small ones kind of get um golden brown faster or kind of get ready faster. So you just have to keep stirring all together. Can you see? The first one I put, if you notice, that's that one already started changing colors. The rest are already changing colors. Can you see? Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, so all I need to do, I just have to keep stirring. So yeah, I noticed it was almost ready, so I had to go bring my plate, my clean plate. Mhm. Now it's ready. Can you see that golden brown color? That is how your chinchin should look like. Should have a golden brown color. Once it's golden brown, and then it is ready. Just pack them out. Pack them out, baby. Pack them out. So now, it's still going to be a little bit soft. All you need to do is just to allow it to cool down, and you can enjoy your perfect Nigerian chinchin, or should I call it upgraded Americana chinchin. This chinchin is so delicious, like so delicious, guys. Can you see it? So I want it to cool down. After it had cooled down, you need to like space it out for air to come in so it gets dried and it comes crunchy. So after it's cooled down, I'm just going to put it into this already washed container. And you see how strong it is now. Like it's so crunchy. It's the perfect consistency. I want like the perfect where I want it to be. Like it's crunchy, but inside is I can feel the milk. Like oh god, guys, you just need to try this yourself. So these are perfect Nigerian, no, perfect Americano chinchin. So guys, if you love this video, do well to like, share, try it out and give me